Okay, so I know they like to try to ignore shit, whatever, and So I sent Rando a copy of his less pendants. Yeah, I sent him a copy of his less pendants lien, and he can put a lien on damn detention center. He has to have somebody from his family look it up and find the legal description. Okay, but the property description got to go right in there. Okay, now it says that you got to file federal shit or whatever to put a lien. But I think if I filed a $200 million lawsuit in state court, and if you get it from me, it's for federal, and you have one to file in federal, but we don't need to run down there right now while we're beating their asses right here. Okay, and so once you get your state lawsuit filed and get a certified copy of it, then I would put a lien. If they try to tell you that you need a certified copy from federal court, then okay, your next thing you're gonna do is file your actual claim in federal court. So you'll have. But you know what? I would jack with them with this and make them tell me whatever the hell they want to tell me. Okay, because we got this right here. Okay. This right here is firebomb right there. I'm just going to leave it set. It's time for a commercial break. This commercial brought to you by winningcourtnow.com firebomb. Oh, yeah. Okay. So why is this exciting to me? Because the notice of preservation of court's property and records. Now, I'm assuming Randall's going to put a lien on the courthouse. I would put a lien on them. Well, no. Well, if I was in Randall's case, maybe that would be good because then they wouldn't be able to do it. Well, we have to take it off at some point so they can get in there and pay. It's supposed to be serial. I mean serious. Okay, so Coach, what happens when we put the lien on it and we do this? Well, if you use the RICO, okay, then this is seizing their property. Well, you can see something else. You don't have to do the property. You can do the judge's house. Okay, oh, no. No, don't even start to have immunity, okay? Because they don't. I don't care, federal judge, it don't matter. Their ass don't have immunity. And I'll tell you why. And they get a little sticky when you do federal judges, okay? But they don't have no immunity. And I'm still going to tell you why, aside from the sticky shit. But I was probably stick. I like to do the attorney. I like to file a lien against the attorney's property or the prosecutor's property. Actually, you do the counterclaim first, and then you add the property to the counterclaim as damages. So now you got to